Hi guys, welcome back to the Yo Show. Today we're going to be installing this on to the Doodle Bug. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, which before I try it, is I put the clutch on, and there's a key back there. I'm going to tighten it down and put my clutch bolt. Obviously, we're going to get rid of this because we don't need an oil sensor on the 212. And then, yeah, put oil in it and put gas in it. And I'm going to run it, just let it run like this while I uninstall that engine, because that's going to be my break-in period. And then we're going to get rid of this kill switch and we're going to wire it to that. This is trash. All right, for the oil, we're gonna be using some, I probably should be running synthetic, but whatever, 10W30. And then you pick up one of these things from AutoZone. They're really handy. They have a cover on and off switch and a long tube after they're installed. So 16 ounces of oil.
Milk. Here, gobble up that milk. That's a lot. You want this? Come on, go. Wow.
All right, so that's all the oil that we need. I'm actually gonna take this off for the first. Ooh,
Daddy,
it's on there really tight, so give me 1 second. I won't forget, thank you. So the clutch is on there extremely tight. I had to use a... Ooh. All right, nice. Should probably put a little bit of oil there. So add a little bit of gas. Alright, that should be plenty to give it a test. Don't forget to put your oil lid back, because that would suck. Yeah, they say 20 minutes is good, and then change the oil. It's probably going to be smoking a lot because it's a brand new engine. Tighten that down, tighten that down.
What's that? What?
Check that other one, that's tight. All right, a couple other things. We're definitely gonna have to turn the pull, rotate it like, I don't know, 60 degrees or whatever, because it's gonna be on a mini bike. It's gonna be facing this way, and we're gonna wanna pull from that way, so you switch that over. Make sure my choke is in start, my gas is on, and we're gonna see how she sounds for the first pull. And on position, and nothing. I think I did the switch wrong. Kidding. I'm gonna put something under here so it doesn't rattle so bad. And this is gonna be for my kids, so I'm gonna leave the governor completely installed, because that's my kid's bike. And if you watch the show, you know that I am currently running a BTX 200 with a Predator. I'm waiting on a torque converter key. So, governor obviously not installed on this. Stage 1 kit. But for that, we're going to leave the governor installed. Alright, so we're going to let that run for like 20 minutes, and while we're doing that, we're going to remove this engine from the Doodle Bug. One day, later on in the channel, we'll probably visit this. It's a decent frame, a little bit of rust. 6-inch rear tires, I'll probably put 6 in the front. Later on. So shout out to Jace, he brought me a cardboard. We're gonna put it here to mark the engine mount holes, and then we will have to drill some new ones over there. So yeah, I'm just gonna try and make some marks. I have a white pen somewhere.
Yeah, there's a lot of pens over in the drawer.
Mount it.
I got a cappuccino chocolate milky. It's a cappuccino. Is it actually a real cappuccino?
Should be close enough.
What do you mean it's daddy?
Where is he going?
I'm going to get the extension cord.
Wait, I'm coming with you.
What?
Don't worry about this. They're fine.
I'm going to use this.
Anyway. I can't really catch up. No, I can't.
Sheesh. That's gonna be a power tool. It's probably gonna be really loud, so just a heads up. If you're watching this, just a heads up.
Yep.
Probably gonna be.
Watching him, like what he did.
It's probably gonna be pretty loud. But I just turn down your volume.
Pretty good.
Y'all should back up a little. Maybe some. So yeah, like I said, most of the stuff from Harbor Freight is cheap Chinese. These are the worst drill bits I've ever had. I learned my lesson. But the Predator engines are good. Yeah, luckily it came with a lot of drill bits. Since my drill bits were being a pain in the ass, I went and got my chainsaw file, and I just filed down the inside of the holes a bit. Only thing I'm worried about is when you drill the direct holes, you can't really slide the engine back and forth for chain tension. That might be a problem later, but I'll figure it out. Alright, I'm done with drilling and sanding my makeshift holes. The bolts fit, so we're gonna try and get this on there, hopefully with ease, and hopefully we can get some good chain tension. Otherwise, we're gonna be making trips to Home Depot. So yeah, that was definitely a bust. So when I put the bolts on, the chain was not aligned. So what I'm gonna do is I have aligned the chain. It's gonna need like some link removal, but I aligned the chain and I'm going to spray paint right there so it falls down to where I wanna clear it. Make the hole, and then I'm gonna go buy a proper drill bit. Yep, we made it to
Home Depot.
Home Depot. and we're gonna go pick up some tools. We'll be here for 8 hours. So it was actually, I had this, but this one from Milwaukee did the trick, and all the bolts fell down. Easy peasy, so I'm super excited. Next up is getting this chain on here aligned, and I'm probably gonna have to cut some pieces because it was too long. And I do like, you gotta have slack in your chain, but not too much. And I also think I have metal shavings in my sock, and it feels great. So I guess I need to take this out, right? Yeah. So, to do that, I'm gonna have Bear hold it. No, I'm just kidding.
No, I'll hold it.
Sponsoring, oh god, sponsoring Gatorade.
This video is
Alright, this is sketchy, so don't try this at home.
and this video is not sponsored, so don't anything you say. It's probably gonna be loud
Yeah, and dangerous.
and stupid, but
That was so stupid. You had like a big electricity thing, but it goes right there.
Thank you, babe. There it goes. Okay. So, got it. Get out of here. So,
Never mind.
well, now it's all.
Nope, we're not getting canceled today.
You can set it down now. I'll unplug it. I don't think I need it for this, but this is hot.
well, it did just get sanded. So
Yeah,
I don't know what more you expect.
it not to burn me.
No, I thought I was gonna freeze you. I thought I was gonna give you frostbite. Oh god.
Did it hit you?
It went like this. I'm like, I literally heard it.
Yikes. Okay. Links out, chains safe. Pause it. Bring the video the way you say you do bring it. I gotta blow this debris away. So,
Sorry if I have shake camera. I got it. Pew, pew, pew. Ching, ching, ching.
it's not real tight.
I know, right?
I should have took out one more, but I'm not going to.
Sorry about that. Sorry about it. Is it like ready?
It's getting close.
One last thing.
I really don't want to take out any more links right now. So if the chain starts popping off a lot, maybe I'll take out more links. But for right now,
What about the like acceleration thing problem that we used to have?
we
Fixed it?
I fixed it, but this is not the same engine.
So
So we're gonna have new problems, not the same ones. Damn, it's wiggling so much. So much.
okay, well I'm just gonna let the camera do its job.
Wow, you're so rough with it. I'm cutting all that out.
Dang, that hurt so bad. But on a big deal sometimes.
Yeah, sure. All right, sorry I cut out a lot of the stuff. I got it installed and fought with the throttle a lot. Like I said, I'm leaving the governor on because it's for my kids. I took it on a test run. Worked out pretty well. I'll show you guys a little piece of how it runs real quick.
I'm gonna be the camera girl.
Thanks for watching.
What do I do?
That's good.
I ate some Cheeto Puffs.
You did?
I did.